So I just pulled the battery charger off. It charged it up to about 12.8. A little bit of voltage drop. When I started the battery charge, it was at 12.5. The vehicle would not start. Just a click noise from the starter. Just a single click when you turn the ignition. So now that it's up to 12.76 or so, I'm gonna go ahead and try it again. Everything's hooked up. I actually have two setups for the starter relay bypass kit, because we thought maybe the issue was in the gauge of the wire. So I go back and forth between the factory setup and the aftermarket kit, and doesn't seem to make a difference, but we'll go ahead and test them out. This is a 1991 Toyota 4Runner 22RE. That's a battery disconnect, and it's currently on. So, see what happens. That's all I'm getting, is a click. So let's see where we're at. Drop down to 12.6. Should be plenty to turn this over. So this is where I switch it back and forth between the aftermarket starter relay and the factory. So this is the aftermarket setup. I'll go ahead and take that out. Let's see if we can plug in the factory plug. Nothing wrong with it. We just thought maybe it had to do with the gauge of the wire. See if I can get this in there. Okay, so it's in there. 12.65. So it's come up a little. This is, by the way, a brand new starter. It's been through about 3 of them. The Toyota dealership can't seem to figure it out. They keep putting the new starters. It'll work for a little while, then it goes back to this. So, just wanted to run through this. And it started. And it started. It wasn't starting before. Of course, I start recording and it starts. Yeah, it's starting every time, it seems. It's been a while since I started, so it's a little rough. Oh, there it goes. With the factory setup. Okay, let's check the battery voltage. Okay, 12.36 and climbing. That should be enough to turn it. There should be plenty. Plenty for this starter to turn over again. I'll try it again. And it's not. I don't think it's a voltage issue or the relay. Okay, I've seen it start this low. Let me go ahead and try switching it back to the old setup. maybe for some reason when I made that change, it worked. Even though I did this multiple times before with no result, it just wouldn't start. Okay, so that's with the aftermarket setup, 12.31. Okay. Oh, I left the key on. Okay. Nothing. Okay. Let's switch it back one more time to the factory setup, because it started right up when I first did that. Okay. Now it's back to factory. This is how it started last time. Nothing. Why did it start just randomly and now nothing? There's obviously still something going on, but I have no idea what. This is mainly a video for troubleshooting. Hopefully somebody could help me. Maybe they've had the same issue. 12.45, 46. Yeah, let's go ahead and try it one more time. There's no reason why it shouldn't be starting. There's obviously something going on that I have no clue what's causing this. So, yep, I would say that the battery's good. The starter seems fine, starts right up when it does work. I don't think it's a relay issue. I don't know if it's the ignition system itself or wiring between the ignition system and the battery. Hopefully somebody can give me some advice and lead me in the right direction. I've been dealing with this for quite a while. It'll seem to go away and then come back. It seemed to come back for a while when it was really hot out. But right now it got up to the 70s today. So it's really not hot at all. It's been sitting in my garage. Haven't started in a couple weeks. Just started earlier today, so if anyone can help me try to get this gremlin out of my system and make sure that this doesn't happen again and leave me stranded like it has in the past. Thank you.